Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make sour apple martini. Super easy cocktail to make, we only need 3 ingredients to make it. Now if you're into sour cocktails, sour candies, you're definitely going to love this one. As always, I'm going to leave the recipe in the description for you and also links for some of the equipment that I use. Alright, without further ado, let's go! Alright, so for this cocktail we're going to need vodka, I'm using Ciroc, sour apple pucker, and sour mix. I'm going to start by rimming the glass with sugar. And I'm using green sugar for this. Now I'm going to add ice into the mixing glass. 1.5 ounces of sour mix. Two ounces of apple pucker. And 1 ounce of vodka. And we're ready to shake it. Now we're going to strain it. And we're ready to garnish. Alright, let's give it a try. Cheers! Oh, this is good. I can definitely taste the apple and the sour. If you're into sour drinks or sour candies, you definitely need to give this one a try. I'll give it 9 out of 10. And that's how you make the sour apple martini. Alright, if you guys liked the video, give me some thumbs up. And if you want to learn how to make more cocktails like this, hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Also, let me know in the comments what you want me to make next. And as always, until the next one, cheers!